All right, here is our mini lesson on how to find area of triangles that are not right. So such as acute triangles or obtuse triangles. And acute and obtuse triangles can be composed from our parallelograms. So again, area is going to be base times height divided by 2, and why does that work? So if I have a parallelogram, I can either make this into an acute or an obtuse triangle. And I'm going to make these into acute. So if we pretend I have scissors and I cut through the diagonal, here I've got two congruent triangles made from my parallelogram. And my height is on the inside and my base is on the outside. And sometimes when you have an acute or obtuse triangle, the height is going to be on the inside, like on example 1, or on the outside, like example 2. Just like parallelograms, wherever you see that right angle box, that's where you know where your base and your height are going to be. So if I have, so let's say I took this triangle and I moved it down here as my example 1. So my height is 8 and my base is 15. So if I'm using my formula of base times height is divided by 2, I'm going to take my 15 and times it by 8, and I end up getting 120, and I divide it by 2, that gives me 60. So the area of this triangle is 60 meters squared. On example 2, here I have an obtuse triangle. So my height is on the outside of this triangle. So I have my height is 9 and my base is 5. So again, base times height, so 9 times 5, so that's 45. And we divide it by 2, that gives us 22 and a half. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in decimal form, inches squared. So here are two examples, one in an acute and one in an obtuse triangle, and how to find the area using base and height.